Hi, it's Ty. We're going to talk about deduction and credit when you get rid of our income tax. If you own a home, you can get a mortgage interest. Or if you refinance your house, you also get those tax break. And then you have the property tax, you have the home energy credit, mortgage interest. If you put a solar panel or you did a new roof that more efficient, you get that tax credit. First time home buyer also get a credit. You have a kid, you get the child independent care credit. You earn income credit. You adopt, you get adoption credit. And then your charitable donation, be your clothes, item, money, the mileage you drive. Some people might give a stock to charitable company. You have a car, so you get the car registration fee, the avalon tax, your personal property tax. You have a hybrid car, it's fall under energy efficiency vehicle. And of course, the charging station. Some people put that in their house so they get that tax break. If you're a student or have a student loan, your tuition, if you put some money in 529 college fund for your kid or grandkid, any expense for school, you have a 1098T, your student loan interest, like I said, those 1098E, and then the medical. If you have a health saving account or medical saving account through your employee, you get the tax break. Your prescription, your medical bill, your eyeglasses prescription, your eyeglasses, any medical expense. Now, Affordable Care Act 1095A for those that in a small company or if you buy insurance from a marketplace, you'll have those. If you in state or federal, you won't have a 1095A, so you don't have to do that. You'll get the 1095C or 1095B. Next tax break is your estimate sale tax, like if you sell your car, if you have money in another country. Then, of course, the tax break is your traditional and Roth IRA contribution, your IRA, your retirement saving contribution, your investment. Then you'll have employee expense, like you'll have your clothing, the cleaner, you have to buy uniform, or the teacher, they have to buy school supply out of pocket. You in the military, you have those mileage, those travel that you don't get reimbursement because your rank or whatever situation. And if you own a business, you can write that as a business expense. Like you take your client to dinner, if you have to fly to a meeting, those will be your job related expense or business expense. And if you use TurboTax or you go to a tax place like H&R Block or accountant, you get those tax deduction for your tax preparation fee. If you move, even you pay a mover or you move yourself with U-Haul, you get the tax break. If somebody stole your money, your wallet, or anything, you get a casualty, or if you become a victim of disaster relief. And if you take care elderly or you have a disabled child, you get a credit. If you pay child support or alimony, you get a tax credit. Legal fee and other deductible. That's basically, guy. That's one of the reasons why I use TurboTax, because it walked me on each step. And as you can see, because a lot of time if you go to a tax place, I did it before in the past when I went to the tax place and I'm telling them that like I want to do the car registration. Some people will tell you, no, just use the standard deduction. But the rule of thumb is if your deduction is less than the standard deduction, then go ahead and do the standard deduction. But for me, I find that when I sit here and do all my deduction myself, it's actually give me more money for refund than taking the standard deduction. Like my mortgage interest, because I have two houses, see, 3,000. Property tax, 14,000. And then my medical expense, because I have a heart attack, I have a surgery. Look at my medical expense. So that's way above the standard deduction. So that's why I do the tax myself. I'm not saying I'm the smartest, but I just know basic computer and using software like TurboTax and H&R Block, TaxAct. They kind of walk you through everything. As long as you know how to read and gather everything. So good luck and pay your tax on time so you don't have to pay the fee. And if you don't want to do this, the IRS have 8 different tax applications you can do with them. I know some of them are 1040A, Tax Acts, Tax Layer. So it's just depend on what your annual income is. Some of them you have to pay like $15 for those that's, it's not free. But good luck. Be blessed.